Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to do a demonstration of the iCarsoft EU Pro Kit, diagnosing and hopefully resetting this ABS warning light on our dashboard here. So we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port. This is a Peugeot 206 that we're in right now. So we're going to click on to diagnostics and we're going to click on and select our vehicle. So first of all we need to find the Peugeot option from the list, which is there. Select the latest software version and select your vehicle, which is 206 in our case. Select manual and we're going to select ABS active safety, and then we're going to go in and click on read fault code. So we've got a fault code here of C1320, left hand front wheel sensor signal fault. That tells us that there was a problem with the front left ABS sensor. So what we've done is we've actually put a new ABS sensor in, but as you can see we still have the warning light and we still have the fault code on screen here. So to eradicate these we just need to come out of this. We need to click on to clear fault memory, click on OK, and just click OK. You can either click F2 or you can click enter to erase the codes. So we've got a erase operation done. You can see we've still got the ABS light on the system here. What you need to do is back out of the ABS system in the diagnostic scan tool. Once you've exited the system you'll find that, as we saw there, the ABS light has gone off. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft EU Pro Kit. As I say, it is available at Diagnostic World, www.diagnostic-world.com, but I will put a link to this kit in the description below this video as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this car tech video has helped.